how to speed up Windows 11 and then fix the lagging and slow issues. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing about various such ways by which we can speed up our computer and fix lagging or any such slow issues. So to start up with, right click on the start icon and then go to Task Manager. Once you have opened the Task Manager, now you have to go on the tab that says Startup Apps. This all applications are those applications that gets automatically turned on once you open your computer. So what you have to do is just right click on it and disable the applications that are currently enabled. This will help you to save some of the space or memory location and speed up the computer. This is the first solution that you can try. Now let's move on to the second solution. Now right click on the start icon again, or what you can do is just tap in Advanced System Settings on the search bar and tap on the control panel's option which says View Advanced Settings. From the System Properties, go to the Advanced Settings and under Performance select Settings. Now from here choose on Adjust for best performance and make sure to tick options such as animations in the taskbar, fade out menu items after clicking, show shadows on the windows and such other options that you want to try on. After that click on apply and then on OK to save the changes. For the third solution, we have to set up the virtual memory. From the same tab, now click on Advanced tab. Then after you will see these two options such as Adjust for the best performance and virtual memory. Click on the Change options under Virtual Memory and untick Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers. And then click on Custom Size. Here are two sizes, that is initial and the maximum size. As suggested by Microsoft, the initial size must be 1.5 times of your physical memory and the maximum size must not be less than 3 times of your physical memory. So you can calculate according to your physical memory and keep the changes here. Once that is done, click on OK and apply and OK. Then after, make sure to restart your computer once and see the changes. So these are the few solutions for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.